Week 8 and 9, Unit 1 Final Weeks. Unit 1 Final Text-Based Assessment. Due Friday, October 19th, 2018 at 11:59 p.m. This is your final assessment for Unit 1. Please go through the steps laid out already. Review the PEA method and Unit 1 assignments. Do the 2 final discussions. Give and get feedback on your intro and body paragraphs before you work on completing this assessment. You have some flexibility in this assignment. I'm not going to tell you that it needs to be X number of words or Z number of paragraphs. Remember that you need at least an intro paragraph, which means that you'll need a conclusion, right? And use 3 of the supplied documents as evidence. Don't forget the analysis. The prompt and documents for the assessment are attached in the Unit 1 Foundations text-based assessment. Please read the entire directions and all of the documents. You will choose only 3 documents to use as evidence for your point. Choose the 3 that you think help you make your strongest point. Do your best job possible. This is worth 100 points. Do not wait until the last minute to get started. Use your time this week wisely so that you can do your best work possible. If you have any questions, if you do not understand any part of this week's schedule, please ask now. Do not wait. Attachments: Unit 1 Foundations text-based PDF. Unit 1 text-based assessment Google Doc link. PEA method checklist Google Doc link. Social Studies rubric Google Doc link.